Okay, so the previous video we were using a 1602T amplifier on 24 volts. Volume was at about 75%, bass less than 50%, treble at about 90%, phone volume at 100%. So now we're going to do the 1002T amplifier on 24 volts as well and see if we can tell the difference between those two amps.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good?
Okay, so I can tell you this. We did lose some bass. The 1602 definitely has deeper bass, harder bass, but nowhere near as clean. The 1002T was a much cleaner sound, and I had to do a lot of tuning to the 1602 to get it to sound as good as it did, where this one was just a basic. It's the bass is at about 60%, treble's at about 90%, phone volume's at about 75%, or I'm sorry, amp volume is at about 75%, phone volume all the way up, and it sounds cleaner. Doesn't hit as hard, better highs and mids, and definitely cleaner bass. So there you go. There's a comparison of the 1002T and the 1602T. All right, guys. Final thoughts on the Belva 6.5 camo edition that I have here. Like I said in the other video, good entry-level speaker. It does have a ton of bass, but you're going to have to tune it to keep it under control. I found that at 24 volts anyway, the 1002T amplifier had a much cleaner sound, better performance out of that. I know there's a lot of people that are going to come out and say, oh, you're supposed to give that 1602T 36 volts. That's the only way to make it better. Well, remember, this test wasn't to see how good the 1602T is. It's to see how it compares to the 1002T at 24 volts. And in my mind, it was almost there, but didn't hold up. The 1002T is definitely the one that I would pick for a 24 volt build with two Belva 6.5s. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look forward to doing it again next time.